Hello? Okay, I hear myself. I should hear myself twice, but I hear only once. So that means that this part is not working. Testing? Testing? Hello? No? Okay, I hear myself. Good, good. It works. It works. You didn't hear it, but I heard it. Okay, so now the Jackie. Yeah, I'm watching parallel Jackie. Hello. So that's actually I'm late. Also, I was not in the mood. I mean, it's really hard to start streaming after the work. But today was a good day, so. Oh, I keep forgetting that there is like a knock button for some reason. We'll need to test it. If only I had friends among streamers. Okay. Okay. So, should we just code? Or should we just start playing? So, let's actually start everything as usual, just in case. So, what is this? That was an update. Wait, where's the camera? Oh, you don't see me, huh? Which is weird because the camera is working. Oh, that's how it works. Hello. My nose is itching. Okay, so Jackie still tries to beat the tutorial. I will click here to see if anyone is online or something. The Brutalista guy, Mr. Victor, today has a birthday and he was not streaming, so I was actually wanted to troll him a bit. But no, I could not. Okay, this is weird. Where are the streamers? Can I see who also streams, just in case if we can play? No, we cannot. And no one. Wait, what? I hate sometimes. So there's a plugin for Twitch, if you don't know. Like, there are many plugins. And one of them actually allows you to kind of collect stuff automatically if it's collectible. And sometimes it notices that if the stream is actually off or something, or if there is a problem with connection, I think, and it refreshes the page. And Twitch sometimes just lags, just for no reason. And this application somehow sees it and tries to use it as like for refreshing stuff. So yeah, that's so weird. I tried to see how this hierarchical finite state machine works. I completely don't like this code. Like, it says that it does its like separate behavior transitions and stuff like that, but no, it's completely not that. 100%. So yeah, I mean the code does some stuff, but some other stuff because of this code is actually coupled, which is, I don't like it. So I will probably try to address that. I also learned new word. I didn't know this word, and I didn't learn it. I just like heard it and I forgot. Parsimonious. Okay, you don't hear it, but should you hear it? Probably not, because I have no sounds, at least in my game. There's no reason to enable them. Okay, excessively sparing or frugal. Parsimonious. Using a minimal number of assumptions, steps, or conjectures. Lived in the most parsimonious manner, deny himself every indulgence. Weirdly, I have no idea what it means. So, can I translate it? Hello, Random good vibes. Greetings. Wait, it's weird. Oh, you're from YouTube. Uh, oh, that. Damn it. You're actually one and only one who actually wrote on YouTube for last 3 months. I'm streaming on YouTube just for fun, to have something inside and to actually work after that if I need to, because YouTube actually stores them, I think, forever. All the streams are gonna be saved forever. Okay, I'm actually super white, which I probably don't care. Oh my god, that Twitch stuff. I mean, by YouTube, by me, I have no idea what you're meaning. Also, yeah, you have a lot of songs and music. If it only help. I mean, I have some Russian-speaking viewers and some viewers from Russia, which is like totally fine. But yeah, that's generally not the people who follow me or who actually watch me. Also, just notice how dusty my microphone is. I need to clean it up. By the way, I got contacted back by the person about the house, so probably tomorrow I'm gonna actually call him and speak more. Yeah, I know. Those I actually liked. I also like that at least one of them is with this anime style thingy. Oh, because on YouTube you won't see. Okay, yes. I connected the chatbot for my Twitch, but not for YouTube. Okay, I probably need to make the song bigger. And I still haven't played those dinosaurs, and we didn't play those dinosaurs. Maybe next time. Some next time. When some of us will have a new big house. Or place. To play it in. Wait, I actually got a few messages, at least by mail. When I checked my mail, I had new messages from the... how it's called? The LinkedIn. Maybe something extra will happen. So we'll see that. Okay, I don't need that. I wanted to translate this, and it also shows me the goals. Why suddenly? It's like it was drastic fall, like almost like vertically down. All the Googling stuff, all the search engines, basically, most of the search engines are like total garbage. Like it was like, and it's garbage. They stopped searching, like whatever I was searching, it stopped. It's not the same. Like I usually, even if DuckDuckGo or whatever, if I Google like that, I Google in DuckDuckGo, you see, it would understand me. Topics. Okay. Squaps. If you didn't know how in Latvian parsimonious is. Oh, you don't hear. You don't need to hear it. Parsimonious. I'm almost perfect English. Parsimonious. That's it. So. Oh, Jackie beat tutorial. If you don't know who Jackie is or not following, Jackie plays Factorio for the first time, and she finally beat tutorial, and he just started playing actual game, as I understand, like real game. I just want to know what setting she got, like how she started playing. Okay, I need to send some money so we could order some food for today, tomorrow. By the way, today is Friday, so maybe there's can be drinking involved if we actually game. It can be fun, or can be not. I mean, it depends. Who cares? Wait. Sending. That zooming though, I never knew that you can zoom that much. Maybe we should play Factorio today, I don't know. Somehow there's a sudden rush to play Factorio. As Jackie plays it, and yeah, that's... Oh, greetings, Mr. Ball. Mr. Incredible. Wait, okay, let's count it. Is this time the same amount of balls that you sent or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 balls. I mean, before it was boring. Now you came in, it's way better. Oh, nice. Nice animation. I wanted to create something like that, but I'm dumb with ideas usually for that because I'm not an artist. I mean, I think I have great ideas about what stuff should be done, but I need an actual person that could draw or sketch things for me. Today, modern day, I mean, it can be probably the actual AI, but not really. Oh. Hey, the chick is not spinning. I finally got my dino game. And it looks awesome. It reads awesome. It feels awesome. Okay, those last three are not the best. But the rolling stuff, especially rolling though, is Godot. Let's call it like Godot. It looks super cool. The board it's a board game. Okay, I can show you if you wish. Just need to go for it. Wait. 1 sec. Hydrate. Yes. Luckily, I'm drinking coffee, so that's gonna be cool. So. Wait, let's actually disable the stupid green screen because... Oh wait, how do I do that? Webcam? Maybe webcam? If I click webcam and click properties... Wait, that's properties. I don't need. I need filters. Yes. Oh, it's all filters. Nice. Okay, so chroma key. Yay! You see me in clear light. By the way, perfect. And it's one of the hungries I think I have. Okay, so Wait, did Glada spoke to you? Maybe it's broken again. I hope it's not broken. So that's the game. I hope she will, because she should. If not spent... I mean, yeah, it's enabled. And I didn't see the trigger, so... I hope she will. So, that's the game. Super cool. The rules are quite simple. It's... Not that it's kid game, it's age 8+. Yeah, it's a board game. Let me show you what's inside. So, default edition is for 4 players only. And you can play one of those. So, Nervous Rex. Stego, which is... He's always happy. Almost all pictures, he's happy. And positive. Bad Luck Bronto. Brontosaurus. Triceratops, which is looks cool. Nervous Rex, my kind of favorite, or maybe an actual Stego favorite. I don't know. So yeah, they 4, and game has cards like that. Can I show you somehow? Like there are more in the box. So they're like disaster cards, like asteroids and stuff. There's like different, for example, this one, Love Hurts. Wait, focus. You want to be loved. A boa constrictor gives you a hug. You are thrilled. I hope it's not reversed. I mean, yeah, it doesn't look reversed. So yeah, and it has DLCs with more cards like that, so they all look kind of funny. One of my favorite cards is... Okay, this one, The Sad Truth. Kinda, I mean that's... The game is too real. Okay, Ghosted Date. Where's the cool one? Emergency Exit. Get it? Come on, focus. Can I focus it? Looks like your ex is better off without you after all. That's a meteor. This guy is always happy. The day at the beach. Your beach day turns into a whale of surprise. He's happy again. Feeling squirrely. Life is going great. Just kidding, of course. You are attacked by saber-toothed squirrels. That's gonna be my Stegosaurus in the game, I think. To have a knife. Armed and dangerous. Come on, focus, camera. Come on. The tiny dinos looked adorable until they threatened to kill you and your family. Yeah, art is amazing. Like, Stomped. And it's a struggle to get this game in the how it's called to the Europe. I mean, Europe has it, but it mostly was in French. So the original game is in French, at least. I mean, original European one. The company who creates it is Unstable Games called. It's from Canada, so it's English and stuff. But I mean, they're obviously mine, so this is one of my favorite. Trapped. Come on, focus. No, no focus. The camera stopped focusing. I mean, it can't understand this dino. Okay, it says, if a tree falls on you in the forest and no one is around to save you, is this your new life now? Downpour. So yeah, this game has a lot of like funny pictures. Leave me alone. And there's a knife cut. Like, you get cut by a particularly sharp leaf. Particularly sharp. Game's rules are really simple. So there's a field. Like every character here, things opens. It has a field and disaster deck. So when you play, basically you have a set of cards on your hand. You choose a card. And I mean, you play the card, obviously. Every player plays the card like that on the field. Like, you see that they have numbers like 3, 4, 5, whatever. So the highest number wins, technically. So wait, I could show you actually in the big screen. I'm dumb. Anyway, too late. I should have shown a big, yeah. Yeah, that I just understood it because, you know, I opened the filter thing and it was already big for me, so, but not for you. Can I actually have a button for that, by the way. I have this button, huge avatar, so I technically can show you this in bigger picture like that. Cool. Super kind of cool. So yeah, everybody players in all together put the card face down on the table, then they open it up, and the higher number wins. So the higher number, 50 points. So the highest number from the table can move his kind of thingy on this plate, whatever. On this path, like that amount of points when he wins. The loser needs to pick up one of those kind of they're called disaster cards. Those are disasters. If you at any point in the game have 3 same type of disasters, or like 3 different disasters, so yeah, if you can see, like all the disasters have this kind of green thing, red thing, and blue like thing. Also, there's a black, which is all disasters at once. Like, this is like kind of wild card. It has 3 disasters at once. So when you have 3 of the same type or 3 different ones, you lose. You are dead completely. Yes, you rest in peace, and yeah, other players continue playing. The winner is the last man standing, or the one who first reaches 50 points. Yes, so that's the game. And there are like some instant cards, instant abilities that you can play, like Toughen Up and stuff like that. Other players who don't win this round can also move. So each disaster actually allows you to move your character by 1 point. By the way, I hope they won't fall off. Those are kind of wood meeples, or whatever they're called, meeps. I am Stegosaurus. If you know the Tomska. So there's a DLC that I got. One is called Happy Little Dinosaurs. No, not exactly 50. I mean, you can obviously go. It's basically a path to safety. So it's something that's gonna be also in my game. So you escaping to the safety. You kind of go. Wait, it's really hard. It's mirrored for me. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah. I cannot. Yeah. So the game looks cool, feels cool. I haven't played it because I need friends for that. Someone to play it with. Uh, but yeah, I really happy just to have this game at least. I ordered this game at start of August somewhere, so I couldn't find it in Europe. This is additional DLC that allows you to play up to 6 players, which gives like 2 extra characters. One is Pterodactyl and the second one is you'll see. Character 1, Pterodactyl. And wait, this one. Raging Raptor. And he runs away. Those are, by the way, is his kind of extra abilities. It's not ability, but how many points extra he gets from this disaster, if he gets disaster. So disaster actually move you more each time. So there's kind of beneficial to have some disasters to actually, when you not fully lose your turn, you can still move a little bit. Because every disaster actually allows you to move that amount of points additionally to whatever, if you win or not. Each turn. I'm not sure how calculated it is to get like 450. There are like more, I think, DLCs, but I couldn't get them. So Amazon doesn't have them. I ordered full pack of this game from Canada, but they lost the package. Sadly, the package was lost. So I really hope that I will get it. But now I contacted them. I contacted the company. They said, yeah, we see that the package is stuck somewhere, so it probably means that it's lost. We can offer you a refund, or we can send the same one. I mean, I don't care about money. Just send me the dinosaurs. I need dinosaurs. Give me them. Give me all. And after that, they told like, hey, we actually don't have them right now available. I know, because they are not actually available even in the European market, like completely. So yeah, it actually took a while to get them back. Wait, okay, I don't have filters there. Here, can I go to body? Then wait, maybe webcam, filters, and let's enable chroma key. Yeah. So the dino is out. I am here. All good. All works. Now let's open the extra chat for seeing extra chat. And let's put the dinos away. So yeah, I'm very happy about this game that I got it. By the way, I randomly Googled for something else. Then I was speaking with the how's the name? Whoever is representative there in their company by mail, and then I somehow decided to check if there are some games on Amazon right now. Maybe they're popped up some like English ones, English letter ones, and yep, there were like initial game, the one that gives you up to 6 players, and this kind of dating disasters extension pack. It's called Dating Disasters. Can I go to huge over there? Yeah. The pictures there are even more funnier because they're kind of dating based. Does it have any... By the way, I was... Don't... Especially the word. Do I have it open somewhere? No. Yeah, let's open a new one. Stable games. So that's the company's website. And here this game. So I don't have this one right now. DLC. I don't have this DLC. And that's it. So I ordered this pack. For me, it costs like 55 euros, but I think with the shipment, it costs like up to 100, something like that. Not twice as much, but close to that. So yeah, and they lost it. I mean, it was stuck. I bet that someone figured out what's inside and thought, hey, I actually... Yeah. I mean, for me, this game is worth it. Because it's still hard to get it. From Amazon, I actually ordered more. I ordered extra game. I also ordered... This Unstable Games actually has another game called Unstable Unicorns. This one. So this is normal version. I don't like this game, by the way. I don't like playing it because it's too random for me. So I kind of not enjoying that. But my friends kind of like it. And it's really easy to figure out with whoever like that doesn't play board games that often. So it's fast to pick up. And yeah, we actually... For example, today in the office, there was last day of my boss. He actually, he not fired, but he quit the company. Today was his last day. And we played this. But it's actually the same game, 1-to-1, like actually the same game. But it's called Not Safe for Work. And it has a lot of unicorn-based stuff. Some curse words, sex stuff, and things, yes. So we played it. We played it on work. Not Safe for Work edition. My boss won. But he actually enjoys this game. He plays it a lot. Very safe. Yes. We booked a room for us, like the meeting room. We're in the meeting and we're actually playing this game. And actually, HR comes in with a gift for a boss, and we have this game on table with all the pictures. I mean, not that they're actually super bad, but they have kind of what they mean by words and pictures usually is something else. Like there's a kind of slave dungeon, a kind of sex dungeon meaning by card. Yeah. So there are sleeves, okay. I know that they have some extra unicorn games. Not extensions, but they have something else unicorn based. With the same pictures, but different type of game. So yeah, this is my favorite. Okay, what actually they have? I would like to see what the hell is this... Those two new games, but... And yeah, Twisted Crypts, they actually started it. Yeah, the best one. Kinda. I mean, we work in the big company, so he's... it's hard to tell, like, the boss in the meaning of the word boss. It's actually... He was chief infrastructural officer, kinda, for our kind of group and team. Then we kind of split it, so we were like in 3 teams, but he was our kind of main boss. Then they're like CTO, chief technical officer, actually got replaced with other one. Then there are some other things, so it's a mess. It actually feels like our company and all the structure is a mess completely. Even whatever you're trying to fix, it's not the stuff that's actually being fixed usually. So yeah, but technically we played today. It was really fun. Okay, it could be funnier because people, structure change, she's getting fired, so everybody's speaking, talking, and it's not a lot of gaming happens, which I usually don't like because people speak and they don't focus on the game, so the game is kind of stalled a lot and it's kind of boring sometimes. But yeah, in general, it may be good, may be bad. By the way, I didn't see that the bot is actually talking. I'm getting a lot of voice gate stuff. TTS has been paused. Microphone volume threshold reached. speaker bot, event log, commands, channel, rewards.
Hey there, incredible.
Okay,
I may be a boss,
wait. Oh,
but
you?
I'm still alive and kicking.
Oh,
Can't
okay.
get rid of me that easily now. Let's focus on getting some work done. Shall we?
That's actually funny how he reacted. Okay, so he works. Sorry for the dog. One sec. In the jam? Yeah, you told me that you fixed the leaderboard and stuff. I tried to beat it again and I still didn't didn't manage to fight it. That was not as easy as it can be. Wait, I want to see what Jackie plays. Okay, so she's alive. She's still playing. She's still kicking, which is super cool and good. Yes, that was my point. But for the last run, I didn't get any healing cards. I had one extra card that was kind of having a shield protection, but it's still... I didn't get, by the way, any healing card. So I think at start deck you should have one kind of healing card, one... No, I mean, based on the how it works, at least one small healing card, one small shield card, and one small bullet card, maybe one small, one small reload card, one small shooting card. At least like that, so something like that. You usually die. I mean, if I go offense, I still doing maximum amount of like 9 damage. At least the cards that I saw, they were making max amount of like 3, 4, 9, 10 damage, something like that. And the actual guy has like 10 HP, so there's no way of me killing them without taking damage. So I will take around 5-10 damage for every guy, regardless of how I play. Maybe one first or the second guy can be blocked and I will take 5 damage. I would actually add the stun card or something like that. The card that will force the opponent to skip the turn or action or something, so I could kind of, have it. Maybe like, okay, if you will be growing this game, there's like a lot of stuff that I can like, that can be invented for it. But there was a weird card that there was one card that can double shoot. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's... But now you have time if you wish to work on the game. Yeah, there was one where like double shooting and there was one kind of single shot, and I calculated that one of them was useless. So one of them was kind of epic, and the second was kind of normal, like common one, and the epic one was useless compared to the other one because of the bullet count or something. I don't know. It was like not worth it because of you using like weird different amount of bullets or something. Okay, I drank my coffee. I translated the word. I will forget this word. Parsimonious. Yeah, I was looking for a good old project and stuff to actually figure out this state machine. One moment. Yeah, but I mean this is something that you usually won't be able to do on during the game jam.
Oh, just like how Dino gets easily distracted during game development. Just kidding, Dino. Let's focus on fixing those buggy cards.
So
Shall
the
we?
bot is awakened, and he reacted to himself. Okay, this needs to be. I think I can disable it right now. But can I?
Dino Spotter. I see we have a fellow distraction expert in the chat. But yes, let's remind Dino to focus on fixing those buggy cards before they start multiplying like, well, bugs. Let's get to work. Hey Incredible, just stating the facts here. Gotta give credit where credit is due. Right.
I missed whatever he was saying. She was saying. Yes, I see. We have a fellow distraction expert. What? Yeah. Okay. What is cool like that? Okay, there are triggers. Can I? Maybe I can click it. Run random action. Run concurrent. Wait. Okay, that's an action, so I can go. No, that's an action. That's a command. So I should fix the command, I think. Okay, that's a command. Okay, it's ignoring itself. Huh. It should be ignoring itself. Okay, then I have no idea how to stop it from doing that. Why isn't it working? Maybe disconnected or something. I mean, it should work. So let's go main body. Monster TTS. I mean, disconnected. Maybe if I click refresh, will it work? I refreshed it. So if I go to here to the Monster TTS, I will log in. It loads up. Wait. Oh, it doesn't have the story. Get started. Which why do you want to log in? You're lazy on Twitch. Stop doing that. This is a weird thing. Okay, I'm not... Because I don't have the password for Twitch. I have this special thingy. Okay, I'm not gonna log in. It's impossible right now. Yeah, Dino game. If you will see that, you should try it. I will try and say how like balanced it is or something. It looks simple enough, so it shouldn't be like anything like that. And thanks for being here. Like that's super nice. Thank you. Thank you. I will actually roll back those rewards for you. Can you show me the reward? Manage queues. Yeah, good luck. Wait, new model? Oh, that was 3 months ago. Oh, I have so many of them. Okay. 2 months ago. Wait, can you actually sort them out? They're not sorted. What the frick? Oh, I see where they are. Okay, this one will be rejected. This one will be rejected. Yeah, let's also reject those two. Who cares? Everything else will be complete. Also, I wanted to check, first of all, what the hell is this? Return of the Aubergine. Okay. And Factoria. I don't want to see spoilers. Wait, CG. Okay. Mr. Owen played recently. Wait, really? I will be able to build my own spaceship? Hello, it's I don't know. It was fine. Now you showed up, so it's better. It's way better. I just saw that Jackie started playing Factorio finally, which is, I mean, no life is complete without Factorio, so... And I remember that there is, like, DLC, and it's actually really close. So, I bet everybody will be playing Factorio. And I don't know, should we program, or should we also start playing Factorio? Oh my god, that's so... a lot. I think I have, like, not that many. But I think I didn't play all my time on this account. I think most of my time... So I played Factorio long time ago. So when it was like not even finished, as I understand. So I remember that they had like 4... how they call, like, research thingies. Those small ones. And they beat it. Like legitimately. I think even I played it on hard and stuff, but it didn't have back in the day in those achievements and stuff. There was nothing. I'm not sure if I even played it on Steam back then. If it's maybe it was on. I'm not sure. Like, so, I remember that I beat it. I built the rocket, but there was like 4. I think only 4. Research materials, and they refactored everything like from that, and it was so horrible. I have no idea how do you speedrun it. I saw that there are like actual speed runs, and they're like 2 hours long. I think 2 or 3 hours the world record or something. It's how And also there are some achievements like to beat Factorio without building like a lot of manufacturing thingies. Wait. You need to click that.
Oh look, Lord Nick trying to distract Tenno with speedruns now. Oh, nice
1
try.
hour.
Let's stay focused on game
18 minutes.
development.
How the hell you get this time? Also, why is 56 2 times? It's sus. Too sus.
Spotto, Lord Nick, always trying to derail Dino.
Why
with
he
those
reacts to
speedruns.
himself again?
Nice try, but Dino's got work to do. Let's stay focused on game development.
Focused, yeah.
Shall we?
That word we love. Focused. This time he said focused, but still. 2 hours, like. I cannot even, like, in 2 hours I will get, I don't know, oil maybe. And still it will be like a long time. This bot is always drunk. I try to figure out why he actually reacts to himself, and I still have no idea. So I will need to figure it out somehow differently to create a new action or something. Yeah. I mean, I think I can beat the game like in 50 hours maybe. And this is because I will probably be googling some like blueprints. Wait, what? Windows did dependency for recall on Windows Explorer. Wait, what does it mean? Maybe did depend. Ads in 4 minutes. I recently found out a super great idea for Factorio, like that I never like understood. So, I mean, not that my brain farts. Friday, yes. So we just once tried to play it with friends, like just randomly, and I thought, okay, it's actually will be boring if everything will go smoothly and we'll be building stuff. So it's kind of, you know, if you're doing it solo, it's kind of fun for you and things. But if you play with friends, it may be kind of not that fun or interesting or something. So we tried to. We tried to play in hard mode, and it changed the game completely, because now we're prioritizing every time guns, defenses and stuff, because bugs attack almost instantly and we don't have ammo and weapons, so we die constantly at start. And I think this is something that would the game feels different. It has a purpose, you know. Essentially, it's a kind of the management stuff we're trying to like program or whatever, like blueprinting for me at least. But this actually made the game survival. So you need to survive. That's why you're researching. That's why you're building more stuff, because the other stuff tries to kill you. So we build more stuff. So it's kind of like super cool. I super enjoy that. So if I'm gonna play again, I will play only on hardcore. But yeah, I tried and I lost. Yes, that's. I think the turret was the first one, then the walls was the second one, or something like that. Like the baton. I forgot cement. I forgot how it's called. I mean, the walls basically. Yes, concrete. And still, it didn't survive. So we actually were manufacturing stuff only to manufacture guns and ammo non-stop, for the tourists because they were like constantly being attacked, and we couldn't like the first mob node near us. Like it took like few hours for us to clear it out, and like we died like 20 times each of us. We played like 3 people. I think no, I didn't check. I'm sorry. Yes. Okay. So I think no, I checked some stuff, but not the library again. Okay, what do I have here? Oh my god, why Twitch sends he's like they really need money that much? Okay, for those who don't know, Microsoft Recall is a system that screenshots what you do every few seconds. Open AI Vision API to allow search on everything you did in the what? Oh, I have no idea about it. That sounds dumb. It should be something optional that you can enable, not that there's something that you will optionally disable. Oh, you mean that library? Yes, I mean, I checked it with you on the stream, I guess. No? During the stream, like last stream. And last stream was actually my... I think it was Tuesday. Yeah. Luckily, I today got my laptop that I bought for my company. So, or maybe you updated it, I don't know. Yeah, have you updated it? 2 weeks ago. Last week. So, yeah, I think we checked it last time. I like this. I never understood like completely how this one works. Those thingies. Can I edit watching? Oh, it shows watching. Oh, because I'm not logged. I don't know why I'm not logged in. We talked about that. It would be super cool if you could change these functions to actually use internally some C stuff. But yeah, it would actually involve to making the Perl or whatever it's called, the actual like C library for the major systems. So it's probably not needed. Do I want to play Factorio right now, or should I focus on the game? I need to play to have it. Actually, I wanted to have also stream sooner than later about setting up the Linux for the work on the game. Maybe I should. I mean, the laptop is Windows. Thank you for stopping by. This is very nice of you. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Weekend started. Also ads. I forgot about the ads. Let's work on the dino game a little bit at least. I actually had an idea. Maybe let's try and play for the whole night some game and beat it up, like from start to finish, like we did with the Mirror's Edge. Okay, by the way, I tried to work off stream. I promise, I tried. This is what I got. Maybe I need to wait for cooler to actually help me out with this. Can I print screen it? Yes, I can. I'm writing to the artist, the friend of mine, to actually help if he can actually recommend something. Oh, that was my kind of experiment. Maybe when he wakes up or will be able to send me the thing. Oh my god, look at that number. And that number. And that, and that, and that, and that. So, can I do U? So it's Control N. So what I wanted to decide about the game. So I have a character that you can play. Character. That's the one that I have. Next, I need him to have like abilities or actions. Let's call them abilities. Abilities. Now there should be like state machine, like okay, let's call states. So let's call it like, I don't know, grounded. In air. You are grounded. I don't know, maybe walking. Running. Maybe no, knocked. Can I get out of the knocked state if I'm being dragged? Okay, let's maybe have a dragged state. drugged. I just got answered about my previous attempt of this. That I can, if I want this one to be still very big compared to this one, to show like this is very small and this one very big, but it's far away, so it's small. I can just make them near big and small, and then I can just resize the distant object, like actual resize that. Which is really dumb of me not thinking about it, that I can resize stuff using the editor. Okay. So I have some states. So this state, do I need to know it? Probably not. I can ask about it. If the gas on ground or not. So that's gonna be his property. So in air is the same one. Now the question about walking and running. So if I'm being hit and flying away, yeah, I should not be walking running. So walking running is only when I click the button to walk, then I go to walking state or running state. But maybe let's call something like dragging. Dragging, and there will be holding. So that's gonna be kind of close. When I pick up an egg or something, that means that I will be slower, usually. Abilities, character. By the way, I actually thought playing a little bit of Forever Winter, but the stuff that I cannot actually play some quests actually annoys me a little bit. Maybe actually quite a bit. And I really don't want to cancel the quests. Still need to watch their last question and answers session, Q&As, and figure out if good or not. Okay, this is a little bit weird because okay, the characters they can have different states and different ways of doing the states and stuff. So the actual character maybe I will have all the states. But okay, how do I control the states? I cannot control them through the actions and abilities. Okay, if there's a dinosaur that, for example, cannot run, I won't have. Okay, maybe the dinosaur that cannot be knocked. Okay, dragged. Oh, yes. So I can have all the states on all the dinosaurs. Regardless of dinosaur that I have, it is gonna be a prototype with all the states. But abilities is something that triggers the states. So because right now the thing is that walking state has a logic inside that goes to the running state, which is weird. Oh, okay, I don't know. This is hard for me. I thought about it. By the way, you're on streaming. I couldn't like troll you. That's actually a very nice dodge of you. Also, by the way, you missed on work this amazing game, which doesn't actually sad that you cannot see the pictures because I have a green screen. I can, but I will show you. I will show you. Unstable games. We just Google it. I actually was showing the pictures and stuff about this game and how cool it is and everything else. So, bam, game. This game. You missed it. So I have this game, this DLC, and this DLC. We didn't play it, sadly, but it's super cool and super nice looking. About the Forever Winter, I love this game, and it's not that pricey to not buy it, for my understanding. So it was like I bought like big pack, whatever it has, the big pack where it is. Now it's 30 euros. So because they wanted to sell it for $27 or something, I don't remember the actual price. So I bought with OC just like for fun and to support them. I like the game. I like the vibe, the feeling, everything about the game. Of potentially how the game can be. But as for now, the game is super hard to start. So after a few hours, I love the game. First like 3-5 hours was the pain and I hated it. And actually my first review of the game, and it was it actually had a lot of likes and stuff, about the game was negative. So my biggest negative of the game right now is the moving mechanic. So I usually die not because right now I'm obviously I know how to play the game, how to run, how to gun, whatever, all the stuff. But I died a lot, quite a lot, because of getting stuck on the simple small rock or like on small details that that screwed me up. The actual like in-game movement mechanics are so dumb that you will constantly die because of that. So I know how to play the game. I can earn like infinite amount of money non-stop. Like it's really easy. I can like probably go to 20-50 raids non-stop and not die. So, and this is something that your own game in games, not in game, your own player skill gives you, which is super cool. I really like it. They're actually fixing a lot of stuff. So they constantly have those Q&A sessions where they speak about how the game is. They optimize the hell out of it, so now it runs way smoother. Not that it runs normal on my machine from the start, but now it runs like super cool. There's extra thing that people don't like. There's a huge talk about it, the water mechanic. So the game, you should go and find water and upgrade and give it this water to your actual base. The more water you have, the better the base, basically, like that. So one real world day consumes 1 water. When you don't play the game, it still consumes the water. So right now, if I have like 20 water in the game, so it means that I can forget about the game for 20 days. But if the water runs out, then I lose my inventory. I never lose my characters and stuff, but I will lose everything else. Like I will lose my stash, basically, which is super weird. So it's not the problem to find the water later on in the game. At start, you will die like 10 times out of 11, something like that. You will die constantly, especially. But you not lose. You won't lose anything while dying. I can actually maybe play it on stream right now. I don't know. Yeah, but I like the game. I really, really enjoy that. If you play with friends or like with some groups, they actually go and destroy everything. Technically, you should not do this in the game because everything should kill you because you just escape. But when you practice enough, you can kill and destroy whatever like. There's like no one will be stopping you. Maybe movement mechanic. I mean, movement mechanic stopped me every time. There's staggering bullets, for example, and for example, if you run and jump and get hit in the air, you actually break because of the stagger in the air while flying. It feels so immersion breaking because the game is actually immersive when you play it alone, like solo to yourself. It had the kind of those pictures. The vibe that it gives is super cool. Like the design is really nice, but because the kind of in-game parts and it doesn't feel polished yet. I mean, it's early access, that's why. But still, the move mechanics and some like corners of the map, the collisions of the map, really feel not good. I noticed that some maps got polished more recently when I played, so maybe, and this is another point. It's kind of hard to actually exactly tell if I feel that map is better because I learned it more or because they actually polished it. Because you kind of start knowing the places where you can stagger, where you can stack or something like that, so you kind of naturally evolve, like knowing how to work around them, or like how to jump over, or like that you shouldn't run here, or you should like a little bit to the right or something like that. So maybe that's the case actually. But yeah, there are like some also one thing that I don't like in the game is actually there are some maps where there's exit, and to exit the map there's a timer, and when you click it actually makes a noise, and everybody around you actually starts running towards the exit. And this is annoying. I had an instance where the mob spawned on top of me, like directly on top of me, which is also super like not enjoyable. Sometimes the mobs like spawn and walk directly to you, even if you didn't make any noise, so they kind of know where are you, which is also annoying. I mean, they're like things like that, but I learned them not pretty fast, but like after 5 hours I was loving the game and I was understanding how it works. I know that they changed the most annoying things that I hated after the first patch, I guess, like in the first patch especially, something like that. So yeah, the game is super cool for me. I like it. Multiplayer works, which is also nice. Hi Brax, by the way, I forgot to tell hi. Yes, so I'm not actually against it, so I'm started recommending it, but in my review I actually tell a lot of like that's cool, but yeah, the negative amount what I said, that if you're going to play like a little bit, not every day for like few races, then you will be probably disappointed a bit because you will never learn it completely and you will kind of forget about it. Next, okay, world building is super cool. That's it. Like the how it looks is nice. All the mobs, all the things, they behave differently. They have different armor and stuff. That's also nice. AI is kind of dumb, especially when you have AI teammate. It's completely dumb. There's another thing that you can kind of buy AI to your team. Have an AI in your team. I tried it. Do not recommend it. It's fucking dumb. it's better. I can finish the raid in 2 minutes and bring out water, by the way. So the water is not the problem. It's a useless mechanic in the game right now. It's still useless because, like, yeah, I literally can get 1-2 water in 3 minutes, and this I'm not exaggerating. I can get 1-2 water every 3 minutes. Maybe besides loading, so it will be maybe 4 minutes. Every 4 minutes I can get 1-2 water. So yeah, it's not a problem in the game when you learn the game. So yeah, the water is yeah, and movement and collisions is super buggy, and I hate it. Jumping is weird. Vaulting, there is vaulting, but it's also weird. So I really hope that there is some dedicated person, or even like 2 people who works only on the movement and stuff and polishing the hell out of it, because it's literally, it doesn't fit the game completely. It needs to be reworked from scratch. There's nothing to be salvaged there. This is like just trash. I got used to it. To my understanding, they were trying to have the same walking running mechanic like in the, how it's called, damn it, Death Stranding game, you know, the walking simulator basically. So it feels like they try to do that. So the more you have, the slower you start accelerating and stuff. But it feels, not the acceleration and stopping part, but the actual movement things that, for example, I cannot strafe while running. Moving, like pressing left and right while running forward won't work. So you cannot like run and look to the right or to the left with your head. Like it's not existent there in the game. You can like strafe when you stand up, but you can't run and strafe. So I mean, it's very weird to play this game after like all the other like looter shooters games. Like regardless of how realistic they are, it's very strange. So yeah, and obviously there are some quests and stuff that don't work. There's some mobs that spawn on you. There's some quests that you will never find and never figure out. The quest can be bugged and won't work there. I know that there's one quest called like find the water map. It tells you specifically where to find it, and there's none. And there are like forum, and one player actually told that he used cheats to fly around the map and look at every place in the map, and he didn't find it. So it's probably that the quest doesn't have the item and it never spawns or something like that. So yeah, there are stuff like that, but generally it's super interesting, and you can have a lot of fun after you master it. I mean, I usually like every weekend or so I join in. I just like run few runs, you know, just I start some show on one monitor, and then I'm running on this monitor. It doesn't actually involve like a lot of like cognitive focus or something. So yeah, I recommend this game if you like that type of game and you actually believe in the stuff. Yeah, I mean this is really hard to tell before you try it. I'm not sure. I want to play something, but I don't know if I want to play something. So I thought about Factorio, because Jackie right now plays Factorio, and this is something that that's super weird. Oh, he actually finished the stream, but yeah, she was playing Factorio, and this one game is something that I thought maybe I should play. Why Twitch pushes that whatever sub gives Biggie?
Solo. Are you sure you don't want a teammate for that game? Remember, 2 heads are better than 1. Unless one of those heads is
yeah, she was playing Factorio solo. So that's the negative part. Why I thought maybe Factorio isn't that interesting right now. Would need to start some like co-op server or something, like so people could play some game, and we could like as streamers to play it constantly. Like Echo, for example, or something that would be kind of additional job for streamers, and we could like play it daily for 1-2 hours at least. Maybe Conan, maybe Ark Survival, something like that. Wait, where's my chat go? Here's the chat. Hello, chat. That's my head, by the way. I'm easily distracted. Deadlock was fun to play, but I installed it. I mean, I like playing it, but this is not my type of game. Also, I have no idea how the guy named Alex in my friend list actually manages to spawn himself like multiple times here. I know that he can like have like 20 names here. I don't know how. It's some Steam bug that he can like 20 times here. Chernobylite, by the way, Chernobylite. Oh, this is cool. Wait, I installed it. I didn't remove it. And maybe we'll install it like today or tomorrow just to play it, but I will probably install it again. So yeah, this is something that I don't know. You know, I like the Deadlock, but this is same as MOBA and League of Legends. I'm not gonna play it or enjoy every game out of it. But the Deadlock is not that toxic as usually. Chernobylite is something that I really enjoyed. Like, it's actually good stalker. So it's single player. It has an interesting story. The second part is coming out soon. I don't know when, but I know that there's a second part somewhere. So I need to try and play it and finish it. I started playing it. I like how the game mechanic works. And there's some puzzle, some mystery to it, so it's super cool. Prey is the game that I think I played long time ago, but there was another Prey. There were like two Prey games, and I played one but not another. I think they had even similar mechanics and story. One was about some kind of Indian guy, like Native American guy, whatever, that was captured by space aliens, whatever, and he was running there shooting and surviving. And there was interesting death mechanic. So when you die, you can actually kind of resurrect because your kind of ancestors would allow you and give you stuff. Yeah, so those 4 hours,
really?
I enjoyed every hour of
be
it.
Focusing on developing your game instead of playing around. Dino, gotta get that work done. Wink.
Yeah, so there are two Preys. One like from the old times, and one is like kind of where you basically almost a shooter. So I have no idea the story behind them. Like, which one is better, or like was first, or how they're related, if they are related. It's not just a clone, it's super cool game. By the way, you know where it's happening, of course, yes. And yeah, the aesthetic is quite pleasing. So they actually speak Ukrainian. I mean, they speak Russian technically, but there's fully voiceover to English, and there's some parts where they have Ukrainian words, Russian words, like, so the aesthetically and visually it's really nice. So I will play it definitely more, and we'll try to beat it. It's good looking. For me, it was like kind of relaxing to play it. For some reason, I don't know. I know that Invite played it, and it was kind of scary for him because of the kind of steps environment. Maybe because he played a lot of StarCraft. I think he played a lot of StarCraft, and it somehow messes right now because of the visuals and stuff. But I'm not sure, like, that's... But I got jump scared once because I didn't know that there's like such thing in the game. And I got jump scared. I'm not gonna spoil it, but if you're still gonna play. But there are like interesting things in the game. Yeah, also like that, there's the upgrades, crafting, resource management of your base. Pripyat. Why it looks like a letter, not yeah. Yeah, also, I started playing Age of Empires a little bit. I'm still scared to play it completely. It's like multiplayer, so I'm going like, okay, I will play just one map with bot to get like some achievements or stuff, and then I annihilate the bot, and then I think, okay, should I start like try and play one match full focused like multiplayer, but then I can it's gonna be, you know, like as stressful, and then I go out of the game. Playing versus bot is not stressful, even if there's like kind of impossible bot, but playing versus a random guy is almost always stressful, even though I know that I probably will win first few matches. Probably. I'm not sure. I have no idea. I have cross out. This is a board game. We wanted to play it with friends. Sons of Valhalla. We played it on stream once. Actually, I played it a few more times. I like the game. Oh wait, they have achievements now, so maybe I need to try and play that more. So Chernobyl is. I thought two things. Maybe I should play full game today, like a lot, like whole night, or maybe I should focus on the working, actual work. I today received a new old laptop, like the old laptop, but it's new for me. I received it for my actual company, so it's my company now has an asset, like physical asset, like the laptop bought from the other company. So I can technically have a working laptop for my company for game development, which is cool. It has Windows and with license and stuff, so I'm not sure. Should I use that, or should I don't know, use it as a Linux and have Linux on it? By the labyrinth, I know that there's like a lot of stuff added, because when I played it first, when I beat it up first time, I didn't have any achievements and stuff, I think. Yeah, there was no things like that. So I need to finish that. It has multiplayer, so I need to ask friends to play with. Or maybe I will ask a sister to actually play with us. Grim Dawn. I still need to finish this game. I think I never finished it with DLCs and stuff. Helldiver is not playing them anymore. Helldiver first, maybe I can play them, but I'm not. Astronauts. I actually updated this game yesterday. Wanted to play it. Where's this game that I wanted to play and beat today completely? I mean, one idea that I had is to play one special game and finish it completely. Oh, This Is the Police is such a cool game. But it's just a storyteller, so I'm not sure. Actually, I'm not sure like how this. I'm not that interesting, or that don't have enough people, so we could play an actual story game like that. So it will be mostly like, you know, kind of silenced and played. Hogwarts Legacy, Euro Truck Simulator. Maybe one day I should stream it with VR and wheels and stuff. The Unfinished Swan. Wait, where is that? I cannot find it. I got offered a boost. What is this? How much is this? It's a cola. Okay, it's a cola. Oh, it's Fritz. What the hell? Fritz cola. It's a Fritz cola. I thought it's alcoholic one. It's actually a cola. Interesting. I gave it back. Oh, I want to play this Battlefield Commander, by the way. Why I can't find... Oh, yeah, X4 is in my plans for a long time. By the way, I almost finished my project at work. So I almost free. At least we launched all the stuff that needs to be launched. There's one minor things to polish there, and then we can work completely. Also, V-Rising. By the way, I thought about this game to play with Kogan, the Mr. Brutalisto, maybe some other streamers that we can... I actually was proposing that we can just set up the server somehow, somewhere, and randomly play it. Yes. So... not exactly co-streaming, maybe? You know, just we will have our own server that people can join, or streamers can join, and whatever. So, because I will be still streaming in English, or I won't be streaming while playing with him if we wanna be in the voice chat. Oh, they have... I thought they have DLC. No, they don't. Yeah, by the way, I have negative review. I think it's old one. Maybe I need to play the game again and rework that. But basically, what it came down, so you can block other players. You can like not just kill them completely and like remove their progress. I mean, I usually write negative reviews. That's I'm like I need to work on myself and to actually start writing reviews to every game that I play, positive or negative, and review my reviews and see if the game polished or not. So yeah, this one was because in the game you can actually physically block some player that he won't be able to play the game anymore. Like, so you start, if you play in public PvE server, you can build him out so you won't have path outside from your castle, kind of. So you can have your base and someone will build you out, and because it's PvE you cannot destroy them, you can't do anything, and you're stuck there. And I think later on you can actually have the ability to be a bat and you will be able to fly over them, but before that you can be actually stuck, and this is actually like it disables your progress instantly because you're stuck, you cannot do anything. I had that once and I was pissed off because like I was playing for a week, I had the base, I have a staff, I almost finished the game, so I had like 3 bosses to kill. And yeah, I got blocked by the guy didn't do it intentionally, but if he will never log in back to the game, I'm permanently stuck, and it was super annoying. By the way, later on the guy was actually in the game, so we spoke and he actually removed and allowed me out, and I just rebuilt my base or something, so it was normal. So V-Rising is one that we'll be trying with, I hope one day. By the way, the Halloween is soon, so we may play this one. Oh, there's a free week. Oh, there was a free weekend. Wait, I cannot find that game, the story one, the most amazing story game ever. That's also a puzzle. That's also a story that you can play and maybe beat in one go. Where it is? By the way, I have this one that I want to try. Hero Hour, this is like Heroes. Stationeer is the one that I wanted to try, but probably need a little bit more people. If I'm Black, you won't like it. Valterra. I love the game like that. The games like that. Why I don't see this game here? It should be here. It should be even installed, I guess. I still need to finish the Ghost Runner, probably not on stream. Well, I can start playing the second one at least one day. Conan, Stellatum, Dark and Darker. I installed it. The game is super cool. I don't know. We just stopped playing it. Oh yeah, the free version is dumb, but the dungeon whatever was way better. Signs of Life. Okay, I remember this. Oh, in Sound Mind. This is a story game. Not scary. At least I didn't feel it's scared. That is scary, but I enjoyed that. Where's that game where you kind of flying a spaceship on the planets and landing on them and trying to figure out what's happened? Then you have a weird spacesuit. And this kind of roguelike, so the space every time resets and you're trying to figure out what the hell happened and how. But yeah, this game was also cool. I think there is one game like that with multiplayer. In Soundbind was free in Epic once, so the story is that you're a psychic, not psychic, like shrink or something, and you went to this, or maybe you just went to the city to a shrink, and you see that there's like stuff happening. And you're trying to figure out what's happened and where, and then there's some glitches and stuff in your brain. Dino Punk, Tribes of Midgard. This game is cool. By the Returnal. I didn't know that it's on PC until I got it on my... By the way, Cryofall. This game is also super cool that it can be played with...
That's barely enough time to get your character out of bed. Maybe it's time to give it another go and see what you're missing out.
Yeah, I like the puzzles in that game, kind of like the story puzzles. They fit, you know. Sometimes the game puzzles are like super dumb. Like, go do that, and it's actually like, why the hell? Why couldn't I just like, you know, go around it or something? Why do I need to figure out how to pick up the tree if I can climb over it or something like that? But yeah, in this game, I think the starter at least puzzles were like normal. By the way, Echo, I still waiting for some big streamer to start it, to start his server, so we could play. Because if you remember Boppy, if someone of you knows Boppy, there was a guy called Boppy. He had the server started a few times and we played once. I like it. It was super cool, but we never finished. Talisman. You mean the game? I don't know. If you mean like, if I actually have a talisman, like, to myself, no. I'm not believing in that stuff, so... I had long time ago, at least I pretended, I guess, because I still didn't believe. I just like, how was this gonna be my no. Nobody saves the world, nice game. Wait, what? No, it was something about fire? Maybe, no. XCOM. By the way, I didn't play this one. I played the original one for too long. This game I actually didn't have. Then I had it, but I played it first time and beat it when it was free, and I never bought it. But then I got it from Humble Bundle, I guess. Or maybe I actually bought it after that, after beating the game. I really enjoyed the story behind it. No, Metro is super cool. I want to play this Superliminal one day. It should be somewhere here. I remember that it was somewhere here in the game, but I cannot find it. I don't know actually why I'm wishing. What I am. Maybe we should just go and try to go to sleep. It's late. Oh, I played this one with my sister. We didn't finish it. High on Life. I actually didn't finish it. Remnant from the Ashes. I still need to finish the stupid DLCs. Before starting playing the second part. Dark Pictures, Little Company. Would be nice to play, by the way, Little Company with someone else on stream one day. But people usually play it with a lot of nowadays mods. Why can't I find this game? Like, this is not that game, but it looks really familiar, like similar by name and the picture. And it should be. I know I launched it with purpose, so it would be somewhere on top. Okay, what if I will click and make it? Can I make it like ready to play or something? Where it was ready to play. Kung Fury! But that's a movie. This is one of my stories. By the way, I need to finish this. Oh, we can play those, by the way. The Halloween kind of starting. Outer Wilds, that's the game. I thought about this one. Oh, they have achievements now. Yeah, this game is cool. Okay, it's almost 11. So in general, I will, in like normal case, I would stop streaming, or I will have 1 extra hour for streaming. So like from 0 to 1 hour. Oh, by the way, I never finished Undertale. Yes, I am one of those persons. Also, I'm interested, like, can I actually stream and play games from that website that allows you to play old games on browser? Because I finally found my favorite game of, okay, second or third favorite game of all time, called Gex. By the way, I also thought, okay, there's actual Timberborn was updated. Yesterday, I didn't want to play anything, or at least I didn't want to play anything on Steam, so I thought maybe I can try to play something on GOG. Wait, can I see my GOG games? Is there a way to see my... Oh, that's how it shows. Wait. Platform GOG.com status owned. And I thought maybe I can play one. This game is super cool. But I wanna have another Nations, like, I think it's called Nations Gold. Yeah, Gold Edition. This is the second one. Okay, yeah, that's probably the third one. I know that there are like 4 parts of this game. Maybe Gold Edition actually involves multiple. And I hope it works. I actually never tried if it works or not. Can I install that? If I click play, what will happen? Wait, I have it installed? No, I wanted to install that. Now my resolution will be screwed. Thank you. Thank you, Windows. Yeah, there's like 2D one, and there were 3D ones, and I love the 3D one. We had only demo version, so we had only 1 level, but we played the hell out of it. back with Superboy. Yeah, look at that. Look at that menu, by the way. Have you ever seen that? Like, how? But I feel super laggy for some reason. I have no idea. Maybe because it's not running as a game. And also my monitor right now is super skewed. It's super annoying. Because it shows half of this screen, like the main monitor stuff, to the other monitor. One of my games that I'm planning to do, I really want to have this menu, the same style of menu, without the text, so it will be visual cues and clues about what you can click and where. Choose player, multiplayer. There was multiplayer. I never knew that there was multiplayer. And weird thing that there's actually, so they have multiple things here. Are there settings, by the way? I don't see settings in the game. So there are no settings. Okay, I clicked escape and the game exited. Please fix the okay, the monitors were fixed. It jumped back. So I have it installed. Okay, where's the sound? Okay, sound was just stopped. It was lucky accident. So I have this one on GOG. This is one also my first. I didn't know about this one, but I kind of enjoyed playing that when I figured out that it exists. Never beaten it fully. I just opened like few codes. There's no save, by the way, in the game. Only save is when you find the code for the level. Oh, I remember this level. It's somewhere one of the last ones, at least as I remember. Coming through. Oh, pray, see? Yeah, I think I didn't play this one. One of the praise was where you got stolen and also your girlfriend was stolen. So, and you tried to save her while gunning. And this is another one, I think. The one that I'm talking about or the one that I'm looking? Maybe. I played one with the girl. Okay, so yeah, so this is a new one, yes. And they're probably not related. They just have the same name. At least I think. I don't know. The old one didn't had mobs like that. It had actual aliens. And tons of puzzles about like gravity and navigation. Like magnetic boots, grips and stuff. I enjoyed Hitman long time ago. I even bought when the last Hitman came out. I bought it and played it for a few missions and then I stopped. It just like I don't want to play this anymore. I don't know why. It kind of, you know. I enjoyed, you know, like just seeing of how who moves where, figuring out the path and stuff. And then I kind of I don't know. I don't know why. Oh, Summoner, I never beat it. Sunless Sea, by the way, is super cool game. It's roguelike where if you die, you're actually playing a successor of whoever captain died. I need to buy more games on GOG. I start probably focusing GOG more than Steam, just to not be related to Steam, and maybe have bigger NAS home NAS for to store the games on NAS. Yeah, so the game basically you have your ship, you go back and forth, and you try to progress. If you die, you die, and the next guy continues. Maybe one day I'll play it. Soundless, there is... Whoa. I didn't know that there is DLCs for that. But I mean, the game was super successful, so it's obvious. Oh, by the way, this game I actually played on my Steam Deck. And I still haven't finished it. It's kind of 2D cyberpunk style, but more linear. You have some hacking and shooting, but the universe vibe actually gives you... By the way, Deus Ex, remember this game? I think I beat it, but I beat the pirated version long time ago and it was kind of a shit. At start I couldn't actually figure out how to finish the first level because it was very stupid for me. I was very dumb. But this Dex is amazingly cool. Deus Ex. The first one. I didn't like the last one because every place could be kind of easily got. So there was whatever you level up, you will still be able to get everywhere regardless. It's something that was kind of sad. So for example, there was a room that you need to go into and you have hacking skill, you will hack the door. If you have like the force skill, you will actually hit some vent and go through vent or something like that. So it was a bit annoying in that dorm. Here it was like really hard. You need to practice. I couldn't beat first level for a long time until I started playing it again in like after a few years not playing and figured out how to play this. I actually want to eat. I feel like I'm starving and I'll find soon. Well, what is this game? It looks nice, but I don't remember this game. Oh, isn't that multiplayer one that you play with your friends and try to survive? No? Oh, it doesn't tell that it's multiplayer. I actually played it for 30 minutes. Interesting. I mean, it has all the interesting aspects if I can... Oh, I remember it. Something. At least I remember tutorial. I also need to play this one. So a lot of games to play. I think I will try to stream over the weekend. Of course, as usual, I will try. Tomorrow maybe half of a day after evening or something because I will be calling stuff. Oh wait, I have... Okay, the parents will come. Parents wanted to come on Sunday. Yeah, I don't know. I'll need to try to figure out how to stream. Maybe I will play some of those games off stream, but first of all I need to go and eat fast because I'm feeling that I needed to eat at work, but I had only lunch. But I had only like very, very nice lunch, so I didn't want to eat, and now I feel like I'm fainting because I'm starving. which is weird, and it's usually does not happen to me. Okay, I'm lying. It's usually exactly what happens to me. So, yeah. Anyway, I probably will finish the game soon. By the way, this is my game progress right now. I try to make some kind of picture for a title. So the idea is that this is small dinosaur, like little compsognathus, compy, whatever, like watching as asteroids fall, and this guy watches to the compy and he doesn't see the asteroid, so he will be angry and running angry with his friends to attack little compy. And little compy actually like, the asteroid. Yeah, that's gonna be a screenshot. I think I saw a picture like that a long time ago. It's kind of like the generic picture where like everyone, there are many pictures like that with the same idea, but I don't know how to draw, so that's my active drawing. So I will be trying my best. I need to go grab a snack at least, or like, yeah, probably I will finish the stream, eat, and if I won't go to sleep, I will start playing something. Maybe I should try Factorio one more time while watching something. That's a great idea. Yeah, that's it. So, thanks everyone. I hope since now I will be streaming constantly, like without pauses. At least I'm hoping that I won't have like breakdown at least or something, and I will have a vacation of work to start doing stuff. But yeah, this is something that I'm planning to do. I paid my debt, so there's no debt for me. I'm free, so I have a lot of things happening right now. All the money that I earn right now are totally mine, and I will be spending them on my streaming, work, company, game dev, or will try to buy a house so I could stream more easily, louder, without thinking about neighbors and stuff. Yeah, it's so many benefits, of having your own house, but it's so pricey, So yeah, thanks everyone. I will stop here because I'm really feeling like I'm starting to shake. Yeah, have a nice weekend. Hope to meet you there on the weekend. And congratulations and my condolences, my deepest condolences to you, Mr. Kogan. So I will hopefully join you if you're gonna stream tomorrow, and we'll throw the hell out of you as usually. Hope you're gonna be playing normal games so I could maybe join you and troll you in the game if possible, randomly, not so you wouldn't know that it's me. Yeah, I mean, I have a lot of games, so if any of the games and I won't be streaming, I can join totally. Forever Winter, for example, or like whatever. By the way, I wanted to gift Forever Winter to... But actually, yeah, I can gift you whatever if you wish Forever Winter. Do you wish it? I'm sure that you will enjoy it. I'm not sure what genre of games you actually like, so this is something like that I have no idea about. Hello! Oh, wait, I'm... Nice. Nice bot,
hey
actually.
there. Temtem.
Got you.
Is it time to procrastinate, or are we actually going to get some work done today?
Yeah. We were discussing for an hour what games they can play, and
just here
I remember
to keep
that...
Dino in line and focused on their game development.
Focused, yes. Focused.
You know,
That's the word of the
battle
stream.
Against distractions and procrastination. How about you, Temtem? Keeping busy or just here to witness the chess?
Yeah, basically chess. Yes, chess. No, okay. So yeah, that's... we were talking about what games to play on stream. Then I remember that I actually haven't been eating kind of well, and now I feel that I'm shaking and need to eat. So I will be ending stream right now. So sorry you joined just in time for the ending. So yeah. If you're still here, the game that I'm playing, that I'm working on is Godot 1 for the... It was done for the Dino Jam. Basically, you play as Little Dino, or you can play as Big Dino later on in the game. And you actually pick the stone, you start crafting, you pick the another stone. Come on, you start crafting. Wait, okay, I hope the guy will run away. Here you are. If I would put another stone, it would be a wall. He stole my axe, now he will be running away, so I will finish my stone wall. Yes. As you can saw, the actual stick fell through because I don't know why. That's good though, physics for you. That's how it works. Also, it throws the stone where I'm actually looking at. Yeah, you walk slower with the stone. So wait, build. Oh, okay. I probably won't be able to build it because the stick that I spawned in to build the spikes actually is actually lost. Yeah, so yeah, that's the game that currently working on. I hope to finish it at least in this state and then rework it. It should be multiplayer where you with your friend trying to survive dinos attack. You build the protections, then you kind of win the level. The dinos are joining your team, and you can play also as that dino, and you can kind of change the dinos while playing. Different dinos, different abilities. For example, Little Combi can build little traps and walls. There will be flying the guy who could wait. Okay, I died. There will be a big guy. Yeah, that actually despawns me. Who could pick up the stones and throw. Every dino has its own weakness. Also, somehow it's sometimes lagging. I have no idea why yet. We'll need to figure it out. But yeah, so yeah, that's the game. Yeah, and soon, hopefully, I will be having at least complete workable state on h.io. Until then, I will go and grab something to eat. So, thank you guys. Have a nice weekend. Hope to meet you tomorrow or over the weekend. Or if not, as usually, work days at least around 8 p.m. Right now, it's 11 p.m. Good night. If I only find the button.